I'll be presenting at the Traders Expo in New York City, which you can attend from February 25th through the 27th. I'll be presenting on a panel spearheaded by my friend John Netto, Profiting in the New Market Ecosystem. I will also be presenting 2 trades working best in current market conditions. So we offer a unique perspective to those who attend. We're a P&L proprietary trading desk, actively trading stocks and options and futures and engaged in automated trading. We have a history of training traders from new to 7-figure traders. The firm, a JV between SMB and KTG, provides all the capital and takes on all the risk for its traders. We share lessons that the market has taught us. We share lessons from observing new traders becoming 7-figure traders. Simply, our homegrown top traders are role models from which other traders can emulate to improve their trading. Please come join us. Stay around after to say hi, ask us questions, and talk trading. My favorite part is meeting traders after a presentation. And in fact, we've actually hired a few traders after meeting them at the Traders Expo for our P&L proprietary trading desk. So we hope to see you at the Traders Expo in New York City soon.